Hello everybody and welcome back for another video. I saw the funniest TikTok the other day. It was someone talking about how everyone should pray for us light skins in the winter because it is truly the winter uglies for us. And I couldn't relate anymore because the truth is I love my summer complexion. There is just something so goddess-like about me having an effortless tan, me being more even skin toned, and I definitely notice that my skin just looks more radiant. But as we are going into the summer season, I really love to prep my skin every year for a smooth transition. Not always are we going to be perfectly even toned and tan before we go on vacation or before we wear a really cute outfit that shows a little bit more skin. And I want to show you guys my simplified body routine that keeps me radiant, looking glowy. It tackles hyperpigmentation. It helps with ingrown hairs. I am a girl who still shaves. I shave, I do not wax, I do not laser, and I am able to get my bikini area to look pretty good. I get it looking like I actually do wax and laser, and it's all in the products that I use and in the steps. So for me, I have a huge issue with ingrown hairs and hyperpigmentation in my intimate areas, under my arms, and my legs would sometimes have KP or just a little bit more of like a bumpy texture whenever I would shave. I have some trips coming up and I want to make sure that I look really good for those trips. I really take such good care of my skin, and there's so many things that I do that really get it looking good all year round. I'm going to share with you guys my best kept secrets, and hopefully you guys have learned something from this video. Let's get into it. We have a lot to discuss and I'm so excited to do it with you guys today. Before we get into today's video, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Homoglow. You guys know that keeping my home clean is a huge part of my self-care routine. My home is pretty much where I work, where I get ready, where I decompress, where I hang out with my friends, where I do pretty much everything except for working out, which honestly these days I've been doing that here as well because it's just been quite bad weather. That being said, I want my home to be spotless. I want it to be organized. I want it to feel less chaotic and more peaceful. And it just brings me a lot of peace and comfort knowing that it's clean and attended to. And that's why I love Homoglow, because it's a top-rated home cleaning service platform that essentially helps me with the cleaning that I don't want to do or that I can't always get to, which I love. It's very simple, very easy. You literally go on the website, you choose a day and a time, you pick the available cleaners for that job, and you schedule and book it. And it all can be booked online in just a few minutes, which is really great. What I really appreciate is their cleaners go through a rigorous certification process, so you know that you're going to have someone that is going to be professional and appropriate in your home, so you don't have to have that worry or angst about having someone here. Honestly, having a clean home just changes everything for me, and now that we are about to be entering spring, I want to make sure that I'm having that full detox, reset, refocus, not only with myself, but in my house. And another thing that I love is their Forever Clean membership, which saves you money on future cleanings, even just after one cleaning. And it allows you to schedule frequent cleanings or reoccurring cleanings so you don't have to worry about doing it in the future. It will just set it up to where you are having a regular schedule of someone being in the home to clean it. So if you're ready to refresh your home for the spring, you can use the QR code that's on the screen and scan it and get your first 3 hours of cleaning for only $19 with Homoglow. Thank you again, Homoglow, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into today's topic. Okay, let's start with the shower because this is super important. I want to first discuss the razor that I use for my intimate area because this is very important. I know for a fact I'm not going to be waxing and lasering. It's too time consuming and it's not something that I'm willing to invest in religiously time and time again. So this is pretty much my best kept secret. I have this specific razor from Venus. I've actually switched razors. I used to use a different one for many years, and this one is more geared to sensitive skin and the intimate area. So it has a good bend to it. It has a sharp razor. It's also really carefully designed to shave a more tighter, intimate area that possibly can be more prone to getting bumps and any type of just uncomfortability. So that is why I love this razor. I use it under my arms, my privates, my legs, everything. And I love it, and it's a really great razor. Now, I have done so many videos similar to this in the past, and I will of course link them down below. But this is something that I have recently purchased, I would say about 6 months ago, that has completely changed the game for my body wash routine. I normally will recommend different body washes that help you tackle even skin tone, dryness, and things like that. but what really does the job is making sure you have the right tools to apply things. This is a Korean body scrubber. I decided to retire the African net sponge and use this instead, and it has really changed the game for my skin. It is so harsh in a good way. It tackles all the dryness, all the flakiness, it tackles any type of darkness, ingrown hair, and it breaks it up and really allows you to penetrate all of your products deeply into your skin. So this is kind of what it looks like. Let me show you guys up close. And it's long enough to be able to get your back as well. I will use this all over my body and I use it daily. This is the most incredible way to exfoliate, and it changes the way my skin feels, looks, and even smells. I could care less about what body wash I use. It really doesn't matter as long as I have something like this. Now, something that is completely and totally worth the hype is the L'Occitane shower oil. This is the best shower oil that I've ever tried, and I have tried a bunch. I actually still have the Sol de Janeiro one in my shower, and I reach for this more than that one. Now, why I love this, it's like a multi-purpose oil. I use it to shave. So I will literally lather it on my legs, put it on, shave, rinse it off. And it's better than any shaving cream or any other product that I could use to shave. And it leaves such a beautiful coating on the skin that makes you feel hydrated. I don't necessarily want to feel greasy every day. I want to feel hydrated and like my skin is healing in spirit. I don't want to have to apply things to feel good. I want to apply things and notice my skin getting better over time. This is that type of oil that will lather you, that will hydrate you, and that will make you look glowy. So it's so multi-purpose, it's so amazing. It smells decent. I wouldn't say it's my favorite smell in the world, but it's like a baby powder, fresh type of smell. It's pretty good, and it layers nice with other fragrance. I definitely feel this out of the shower, and whenever I don't use this, I notice a major difference. So this is like a must-have for my skin looking perfect. Now let's talk about fresh out of the shower. I mentioned this in the last video, and it's just as good today, and it's the, I have it flipped the wrong way, the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. Now, this helps essentially with your skin texture, tone, and luminosity. Now, for my girlies who struggle with hyperpigmentation, texture, and their skin just looking dull, you're gonna love this. You can use this on your face, on your body, anywhere, and it's really going to show such a difference in just a matter of days. Like, you're gonna notice a huge difference if you use this religiously. I will use this about 4 times a week, and I love it, and I also love putting it on the underarms and intimate areas. So I will take it, squirt it on my hands, put it under my arms. Not only does it help with tone and texture so my armpits lighten over time, but it also helps with odor. Insane work. You don't even necessarily need deodorant if you're using this. I don't know the intricacies as to why this helps with odor, but I know it does. And I've always been a girl who does stink under the arms, even if I'm not profusely sweating. I've never been a big sweater, but I definitely do produce odor. And since using this, no odor. It literally acts as a deodorant, a toner, a detexturizer, and it fully makes your skin look more hydrated and healthy. So love this, will always reach for this. And again, you can put it on the bikini area in between your legs where you get that darkness, and you'll notice it lightening up over time without it being like bleached or overly dry or just irritated. Now, my best kept secret for being able to shave comfortably my bikini area is having something like this. This is essentially Chroma Bright Ultra. It's a triple action skin brightening post hair removal roll-on serum. So this is amazing. It literally rolls on to your skin. I use this on my underarms. I will use this on my private area. And when I tell you guys, no ingrown hairs, no darkness, no razor bumps, and it makes it look like I waxed or lasered. So I will shave my intimate area with the shower oil and the razor, making sure that it's hair free. I will get out of the shower, use this, roll it on the area, really let it dry down. And when I tell you guys, it brightens that area like no other. Whenever I skip using this or just don't use it as often, I definitely notice more ingrown hairs, more darkness down there, and just an overall not as beautiful looking downstairs area. If you're going on vacation in a couple weeks, you want to wear a skimpy bikini, start using this. You can get this on Amazon. I will of course link everything for you guys, but like this right here, it will cause you to peel down there. It is a brightener and a lightener, but I have noticed that it does not lighten my skin to where it takes out the pigment. I do not like the idea of chemicals that lighten your skin and remove pigment and make you look gray. It doesn't do that. It's essentially like a peel that you would get from like a esthetician, and it will peel. It will show like signs of like getting lighter with time, and then it will just look like baby, soft, beautiful, bikini area and you'll feel sexy. I know for me that was always a huge insecurity of mine, is wearing a skimpy bikini in public and everyone noticing my razor bumps and my darkness. It just like gives me agita. I can just do everything in the privacy of my own home and notice major results. Okay, now that we have discussed razor bumps, texture, pigment, and just discoloration, I want to talk about dryness. Something that the winter does to our skin is it makes it dry. And I know for me, going into the summer months, I don't want to have dry patches. I don't want to have an uncomfortable, like creaky feeling. I want to feel smooth and soft. And this is a routine that I stick to all year round to stay that way. This EOS 24-hour moisture body lotion is like my favorite because it has a little bit of a sheen to it. I notice that it leaves a glow that other lotions don't. Other lotions do hydrate, they do create like a nice moisture, but this creates something beyond that. It's giving supple, it's giving hydrated, it's giving like a little bit like creamy to the touch. I hate that word, but like it gives your skin something different than other lotions that I've tried. I love it. I also love the smell. It's the vanilla cashmere one. It has 7 nourishing oils and butters in it, so that makes sense why it feels that way. But I will notice that if I lather this all over my body, it produces a little bit of like a sheen and I look glowy and radiant and youthful. And I don't need to apply body oil, body glow, or anything to give that effect. This has it all in the bottle. So if you're looking a little ashy on your ankles and on your legs, you should be using this because it's a great way to be able to moisturize that area without creating it to be too slippery and too slimy. I don't like feeling like that, especially if I'm like going to the gym, running errands. I like to use body oils for specific occasions and I don't always want to reach for them. So this lotion is my favorite, tried and true. It will be a repurchase forever and it makes such a difference in the skin. Now, if I want to be extremely glowy, extremely hydrated, and look almost like I'm wearing body oil, like mist and everything, this is my go-to and it's so healing. I love feeling hydrated in a healing way where getting dry is very rare for me. This body glaze, I believe this was like very popular on TikTok for a while and I was buying into the hype and it was worth it. I have went through at least 4 containers of this. I get a different scent every time. This particular scent is not that great. This one is the $1 Million Baby one. It's not terrible, it's just not great, but I've had other ones, but the product is still the same. It has in it vitamin E, argan oil, jojoba oil, beeswax, sunflower oil. Guys, it's insane. It's a thick consistency. It looks like shea butter. It's going to completely transform your skin, your knees, your ankles, your elbows, any part of your body. I will even feel comfortable putting this on my butt and in my bikini area to really hydrate it because that is something that we miss in our routine. We can be exfoliating. We can be applying all of these brighteners and creams and whatever to help lighten things, but you should still be putting hydration back into the skin. And this has been safe for that area for me. And I notice it produces a really beautiful glow from within. So I love this. It's worth the hype. I literally have it on right now and it gives your skin a youthful, sexy glow. Like, do you guys see this? So how I prefer to use this is I will get out of the shower, I will do my routine, I will lather this all over my body and then put my pajamas on. I'll even lather it on each foot sometimes, put a sock on, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and I'm like so shiny, so glowy, and just so radiant all year round. It doesn't have to be just because my skin tone is deeper and it's more beautiful out and I'm more hydrated because of that. No matter what time of year, I can reach for this and it will hydrate me in a way that is insane. Now, I quickly want to pivot to tackling dryness for all of my girlies who feel like, oh my God, I'm so dry. I just feel cracked and nasty. My skin is just not behaving in the right way. There's nothing like Aquaphor. I will put this on my feet, my calluses, on my sides of my nose after a facial, or like even in this area. I notice I get dry in these areas after a really great hydrofacial. And by the way, I lost the cap to it, but it is just such a great healing product. And again, guys, it's just so great. It's a skin protectant. It's fragrance free. It's proven to restore smooth, healthy skin. I like things that are going to heal my skin, not just moisturize it. And I keep stressing that because it's very important to me. So Aquaphor will always do the trick. Again, squeeze it into the hand, put it on your heels and on your calluses. You wake up the next morning and your feet look amazing. You should be nurturing your feet even in between pedicures. And again, guys, you'll look so sexy in a bikini, in a cute outfit when you're wearing your open toe shoes, and you don't have to worry about this major transition if you're using these products. Use them religiously and you will notice a huge difference. So in between pedicures, make sure you're hydrating your feet. Don't forget it. We're on our feet a lot and it really is important that you take care of them. So this is for my feet. my face, and sometimes I'll use it on any area that could be extra dry and extra cracked. Now I want to finish off with 2 life-changing products that I'm obsessed with that I've been reaching for more recently when it pertains to looking extra sparkly, glowy, shimmery, and beautiful. This is going to be like your secret cocktail if you are going on vacation, wearing a sexy dress, wanting to like have your legs looking super shiny and beautiful. This is the L'Occitane Shimmering Oil, and what I love about this is it's definitely an oil, but it dries down in a really great way. It's not sticky, it's not uncomfortable, it doesn't transfer, it doesn't feel weird, and I just personally love this. I've definitely noticed that other oils transfer a lot worse and just don't give me like the same feeling and look. This one does, and I'll put it on my arm so you guys can see how beautiful it is. Like, guys, look at that. It has a shine like no other, guys. It's gonna give a youthfulness to your skin. It has a little bit of a sparkle to it. It's bronzy, it's sexy, it's perfect for vacation, bathing suits. It's gonna give you the definition and the tone that you want on your legs, your stomach, your chest, your shoulders, and it doesn't break me out. I have noticed that other products that are similar to this have broken me out, especially on my neck and chest. So I don't break out from this, and I love that fact. So that is what I wanted to really stress if you do struggle with breaking out from like shimmering oils. And another glow oil that is a tried and true for me, and it's almost done actually, is the Rio Sunset Glow Oil by Sol de Janeiro. This right here, guys, is freaking crack in a bottle. I'm gonna do it on this arm just so you guys can see how it looks. So it's more of like a glowing like product, and it smells insane. It smells like their products that you buy at the store. So not only is it gonna give you a glow, but it's gonna give you an intense fragrance, which I love. So if you want to really smell good all night, you're on vacation, you're gonna be sweating, you wanna just smell good, feel good, and you don't necessarily wanna put on too much perfume, this is acting as an oil and a perfume and a moisturizer all in one. So again, look at that glow. It's beautiful. I would say that this one feels a little bit heavier than this one. This one feels more like skin. This one feels more like a product. I do think this one's a little bit more oily, but it's perfect for special occasions. If you know you're gonna get your pictures taken, if you know that you're going to be like on an island, you wanna look sun-kissed, you wanna look good, you wanna look just very glowy, this is going to be your oil. So they're both really great, as you guys can see, but you kind of have to pick which one you wanna use for which. And I usually kind of just alternate between the two. I actually love this product the most for like my legs and my feet. It looks so good, like in a nice sexy shoe, and it just transforms your body and makes you look really glowy and beautiful. Okay guys, that is how I tackle hyperpigmentation, ingrown hairs, and dry skin. It is so important to me that I look youthful, sexy, and just confident in my skin, and having these products has really changed the game for me and has really allowed me to walk outside in less clothing without being self-conscious. So I hope that this inspired you guys to really get a hold of your routine before the weather starts getting super nice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to comment down below your favorite glowy skin or shaving or just like product that has to do with all of these issues. Let me know down below what you guys use. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone. Mwah.